Marcus rightly quotes, "A person without the knowledge of its ancient past glory and heritage is a tree without roots." Odisha, a land of rich culture and heritage, which boasts of beautiful palaces, kings, and its beautiful monuments. And today, we have a very special guest with us who, through his stories, is going to unravel the beauty of our culture and state. I welcome Mr. Ashok Val to our discussion today. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, from bureaucracy to business to book, BBB. So, how's the experience been so far?
The experience is very unique and interesting. It is the passion that drives. In fact, writing about history, heritage, people, places has been my passion. So therefore, I am doing what I like to do.
So, I wanted to know what is the book about basically.
This book is titled Gajapati, a King Without a Kingdom. With grace of Lord Jagannath, I have been able to complete this book after working on it for about 2.5 years. So this book tells about the story of Gajapati tradition in Odisha. The Gajapati of Puri, who is a king without a kingdom, is more revered than any royal in the country. This book tells about the various fascinating stories, anecdotes, legends, and various facets of history. The book starts with Gajapati Kapilendra Dev and continues up to the present Gajapati. This is not a complete chronological narrative, but it highlights very important dimensions of history and the story of Gajapati, the tradition of Gajapati, and various facets of this tradition. But these are all based on historical documents and archival records.
That was a beautiful insight about the history of Gajapati. I really wanted to know what inspired you to write this book.
This is a very interesting question. There are many factors that propelled me to write. Of many motivational factors, some childhood memories really inspired me to write about this book. As a child in school, I used to memorize the long title of Gajapati Kapilendra Dev. When our teachers used to teach or briefly touch upon the Odisha's glorious past, the title was no ordinary title. The title runs like this: Sri 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 Veera Sri Gajapati Gaudeshwara Navakoti Karnatotkala Kalavarkeswara Veeradhi Viravara Bhuta Bhairava Sadhu Sasanatirna Rauta Raja Atula Bala Parakrama Sahasra Bahu Kshatriya Kulo Dhumaketu Maharaja Dhiraja, and so on. So this title used to be explained by the teachers and elders. Each term of the title had a great meaning. As a student, one used to feel very proud about the Gajapati Kapilendra Dev and Odisha's past. Another childhood memory is my palm leaf horoscope, which was made by my village astrologer after my birth. The horoscope mentions the date of birth, the time as per the lunar calendar, which is the practice followed by everywhere. But besides this, there was a reference mention of the name of Gajapati, Sri Sri Veerakishore Dev, and his renal year, which is called Anka. In fact, I later learned there is a tradition that every horoscope of a child bears the name of the reigning Gajapati and his regnal year. I was intrigued by this fact. Why in my horoscope the name of Gajapati is mentioned? This drove me to delve deep into the institution of Gajapati and the personality of Gajapati. So these are the few childhood memories that propelled me to delve deep into the history of Gajapati, the tradition of Gajapati, and the institution of Gajapati. So these are some of the inspiring factors for which I have attempted to write this book. As far as the viewers are concerned, I'd urge my viewers and my readers to critically go through the book, offer their very valued comments, criticisms, find fault with me, which will be invaluable for me for my self-improvement. So ultimately, a reader is the best judge of a book. So I leave everything to the readers.
So now I'm quite excited for the book launch myself, and thank you so much for your valuable time, and all the people watching this discussion right now. Kindly wait for the book launch very soon happening, Gajapati, a king without kingdom. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Jai Jagannath.